guys, that completes this bronzy makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to speak a little bit more about the palette itself. I initially wasn't going to do like a review, but as I was using it, this kind of turned out to be a first impressions sort of a review tutorial because I am obsessed with this palette. This was my first time using this palette. It is a beautiful palette. As you can see, obviously, that this is what it looks like. I love the tones in here, that earthy gold, bronze, brown. It's amazing. It actually reminds me of like a latte or coffee, or also very Hollywood glam sort of a packaging. I am obsessed with this packaging, I tell you. All of the shadows in here are just gorgeous. This has got to be one of the most gorgeous bronze palette I have ever seen in my life. I actually used all three in here. I didn't use this one here, but this kind of reminds me of a shadow from NARS that they already have. I don't have the name just yet, but it's in the back of my head. But they have a individual eyeshadow pan just like this. I think it's called Galapagos if I'm not mistaken. The shadows in here are very buttery. I didn't have to use any setting spray with some of the, with actually all of the sparkly shadows or the metallics in here. They went on dry, they went on beautifully. I'm sure that if you were to use like a wet brush, it would be a lot more intense than what it is now. The shadows in here are very neutral to warm-ish sort of tones. The bronzer in here actually translates a little bit red on my skin, but I don't mind that a lot at all. So I think all skin tones can wear these shades. Bronze is just that color that anyone can slap it on and it will just look flattering on any skin tone, from a very light to very darkest. I also have the NARS Loaded and Wanted palette. I can't find my Wanted palette right now, but the Loaded palette looks like this. So it has your goldy, warm tones. You can create like nice smoky looks with this too, like really deep dark ones. You have like a gold here, a little nice bronzy gold, like almost like a muted gold here, and this is a taupe. So you can still get like a nice bronze look with this palette. It's more of an all-rounder eyeshadow palette. Great for traveling as well. This one here is a little bit smaller in comparison to this one, and the shades in here are a little bit more like true bronze shade. And also it comes with a bronzer and highlighter, so it's great to travel with. You can just take this one along with you and you can eliminate the need to carry like a bronzer and a highlighter separately. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, give like a shout out to this one. NARS did a great job with this one. I am truly obsessed. I'm definitely going to be reaching out for this palette a lot more and using it. Now, if you are not following me on social media, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Instagram. I will have the social media links down below, and I'll see you guys next time right here. Bye now.